Which Valhalla Reverb should you buy? I get this question a ton because Valhalla Reverbs are my go-to for my own vocal mixing template. The best way to answer this question is to play them for you. Today we're going to listen to Valhalla Room, Vintage Verb, and Shimmer on my vocals and decide which one is best for you. I'm Kimera, producer, songwriter, vocalist, and Pro Tools expert. You can learn more about me in the description below. Which reverbs and settings you choose can completely change the way your vocals sit in a mix. Your DAW probably comes with some free stock reverbs, but hands down, you will hear a difference between your free reverb and the ones I'm going to show you today. Each Valhalla plugin is only like 50 bucks and you have it forever, so the investment is Valhalla worth it. If you've ever thrown on a reverb preset and wondered why it sounds nothing like what's on the radio, don't worry, because Valhalla's tons of presets are all fire. So once you throw these on, all your friends will think you hired a new engineer. So let's have a listen to Vintage Verb, Room, and Shimmer. And please, I want to hear your thoughts, so chat with me in the comments below. I'm going to start with Vintage Verb. As with all my time-based effects, meaning special effects that respond to the tempo of your session, I put my reverb on its own aux track, creating a send from my vocal chain. I'll intentionally send a bit more than usual so we can really hear the effect, and then we'll dial it back to fit better in the mix.
You said come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on airplanes, whatever, no stress. You could tell me about your...
We have a lot of freedom to customize this with parameters like high and low cuts, color, shape, and modulation. I like that it's really simple and intuitive to dial in the sound, even though there are kind of a lot of knobs here. To be honest, I already know my favorite setting on this plugin, and it's the factory default. Listen to this, and then I'll run through a few more of the presets.
Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on aeroplane. Come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on aeroplanes, whatever, no stress. Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access. We can come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on aeroplanes, whatever.
Also, if you want to use this as more of a dramatic effect, you could put the reverb directly on the track and send the vocal out into space. I'll show you what that sounds like in just a minute. Okay, next we're going to listen to Valhalla Room, and spoiler, this is the one I use the most in my own vocal template. I think it's the most versatile, which is great for me because I record pop music, EDM, epic trailer music, the whole nine. So to literally be able to just change the decay time to help me fit the genre I'm working in is amazing. Also, if you want a walkthrough of my vocal template, just let me know in the comments and I'll make a full video on it. Okay, Room. This looks a little bit different, but it's a lot of the same controls. Often I'll just pick a preset and then adjust my decay time.
You could tell me about your day, we could just be quiet.
Okay, let's check out the presets. These make life so much easier, and it literally takes less than 20 seconds to have the perfect reverb sound. But let me get on my soapbox for a second and tell you how I really feel. Cathedral reverbs are the only way for me. I'm sorry, I am beyond obsessed. Let's listen to the differences.
I got roof access. We can wish on aeroplanes, whatever, no stress. You could tell me about your day, we could just be quiet. Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access.
Doesn't that just sound so lush and spacious? I love that you don't feel boxed in, like you can't hear where the walls are. It just gives your mix so much dimension. It plays with the harmonics a bit. It's just beautiful.
Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on our. Come over to my place, I got roof access. Come over to my place, I got roof access. We can. Come over to my place, I got roof access.
Shimmer is next, and this one will take us to heaven, outer space, and beyond. By the way, after this, I will play a rapid fire side by side so you can make your final decision. As promised, I'll also show you how it sounds directly on the track, not just as an aux send. And before I press play, now would be a great time to show some love by clicking the subscribe button.
We can wish on airplanes, whatever, no stress. You could tell. Come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on airplanes, whatever, no stress. You could tell me about your day, we could. Come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on airplanes, whatever. Come over to my place, I got roof access. We can.
Yeah, this is straight angelic. So pretty, so shimmery. Let's jump into our presets.
Come over to my place, I got roof access.
Actually, I bet this would sound so cool with falsetto vocals. Let me just quickly lay something down.
To my place, I got roof access. We can wish on airplanes, whatever, no stress. Come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on airplanes, whatever, no stress.
Love that. Real quick, here's that preset on the original vocal.
So come over to my place, I got roof access. So come over to my place, I got roof access. We can. So come over to my place, I got roof access. So come over to my place, I got roof access. So come over to my place, I got roof access.
Okay, I've saved the best moment for last, a rapid fire of my favorite settings on each plugin. Check this out.
Yes, I come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on airplanes, whatever, no stress. Yes, I come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on airplanes, whatever, no stress. Yes, I come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on airplanes, whatever, no stress.
And as promised, let's hear these as an effect on the track itself.
Come over to my place, I got roof access. We can wish on airplanes, whatever, no stress.
Personally, I need all three in my life, especially if I'm working on a sample pack and need to change up my sound a lot. If you're just as obsessed with plugins as I am, I have several more I want to show you in this next video, so let's take a listen.